Hi everyone, welcome back to XGate Dental. I'm Emmanuel Kadosh, and we are here to discuss new procedures in the field of dentistry. We'll provide interesting new cases to exhibit how doctors use our products to solve complicated dental cases. Don't forget to subscribe and follow to stay up to date. Today we're going to be talking about proper dental hygiene. It's better to eat healthy unprocessed food as much as possible. When you eat food that you know is healthy, it affects the teeth as well. So you don't only have to worry about the sugar or not sugar aspect of your food. For example, white bread doesn't have sugar, but it's very unhealthy for the teeth because if it gets stuck, it can dissolve to different kinds of sugars. Then the bacteria eats those sugars and processes acid, and in turn, the acid ruins the teeth. And because of this, you have different kinds of cavities. So it doesn't have to be sweet. A proper diet affects not only your belly, but also your teeth. So first things first, maintaining a healthy diet. After this, you need to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. In the morning after you eat your breakfast, and in the evening after you eat dinner. In the morning you eat breakfast, you eat some kind of cereal or unhealthy food, which then you go to work. Which means that if you only brush your teeth before breakfast, the food will be stuck in your teeth for the rest of the day. You don't want for the rest of the day or until noon to have cereal stuck in between your teeth. Many people think that you need to be brushing your teeth for a certain amount of time, but that's not really the case. It's like saying you need to clean your house for an hour. It's not the amount of time, but instead it's about the quality. You can brush for 10 minutes and have a lot of plaque and residues of different kinds of foods on your teeth, and you can brush in a minute and a half and you have fantastic, clean, and great teeth. You need to have feedback. You need to look in the mirror and see how well you cleaned or brushed your teeth. When it comes to what toothbrush to use, all of the scientific data supports electric toothbrushes. Now, how do you know if you've brushed your teeth thoroughly? First of all, the teeth need to be smooth. You can touch them with your tongue and you feel a smooth texture on your teeth. And then you can look at them in the mirror and you see that you don't have any plaque, any white residue on the teeth, white or yellow or orange residue on the teeth. This is how you know that you brush your teeth properly. Then when you brush your teeth, you brush the external surfaces. You have the plaque between the teeth. You also need to clean with accessories such as dental floss or toothpicks or plackers that can help you clean in between the teeth. Now, let's talk about mouthwash. It's like pouring water on a dirty floor. It doesn't really do anything if the floor is still dirty. You need to brush your teeth very well. The thing that keeps your teeth clean is brushing. You need to clean physically. Using the mouthwash can give a nice feeling, but it doesn't really do much for the actual cleaning aspect. So the breakdown is simple. Brush your teeth twice a day after the meal. Floss at least once a day or as much as you remember to in order to clean in between the teeth or remove all the residues of the food and plaque that you have in between the teeth. Always check that when you brush your teeth, you have good results. The fact that you're brushing doesn't mean that your teeth are clean. But the best tip that a doctor can give you is look in the mirror and see the quality of the work that you did. Because most of the time, a patient comes in and says, I brush my teeth a lot and I don't see anything. It literally doesn't do anything. So look at the teeth and tell yourself if you did a good job. If you still have a lot of things to remove from your teeth with your nail or maybe a toothpick, then it's like not brushing at all. This is where the electronic toothbrushes excels because the electrical toothbrushes rotates and you just need to put it on your tooth and it does the cleaning itself. So you don't need to move at all. It's not only the back part, but the distal teeth, the teeth that it's hard to reach. You can use an electric toothbrush and it will help you see the best results in the toothbrushing process. Thank you everyone that joined in to learn some new and interesting information. Make sure to stay tuned for more, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you and see you next time.